so you are seeing those blue wavy lines. And don't know why. The code is working fine, but the line's still very annoying. So first open a new tab in Visual Studio Code, then open up Unity Hub. Here find your project and press those three little points. Now press the Show Explorer and locate where your project file location is. This step is very important because we need to add the config file at the right location to make this work. When you find the file location of your Unity project, copy it. Then reopen Visual Studio Code and press Shift-S to save the file. Paste the file location that you copied from your Unity project and press Save. Then just paste the code into config file. And you can find the code in the description of this YouTube video. Then after you passed it in the code, press Shift-S again. Now we can close Visual Studio Code and reopen it, and the blue wavy lines should disappear. Hope this helped you, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments section.